If you're looking for the most durable camper van, you just found it. This is a Vandoit built on a Ford Transit T350 2019. We just got this back from a trip and emptied it out, so we thought it'd be fun to show you what an empty van looks like. First thing to see is even this drawer right here is made out of metal. All of our framing and components in the van, like this kitchen pod, are made out of our aluminum skeleton grid, which is great for attaching any accessories such as the paper towel holder, and it doesn't expand, contract, warp, or twist with humidity or elevation changes like wood. It's modular and it's durable. For our electronics, we use Mastervolt for our inverter batteries and charge controller, and you can see right here we also have our rocker switches mounted above the bed to turn your other accessories on and off. Now, as we move into the bed space, you see we have a full queen bed that you sleep front to back in. We have a Dometic air conditioner and air vent with the S-bar heater under the passenger seats for heating. Now, up in the front cabin, you can see we've got a nice interior with an upgraded dash for Apple and Android CarPlay. The swivel seat makes a nice addition and really opens up the living room for all sorts of other accessories. Now to the back, first thing you're going to see is a 44-inch wide gear slide. This allows you to store up to 4 bikes. And right next to it, we have the turn handle. This controls the height of the hydraulic bed. And then to our water system, which is a 6-gallon jerry can that's easily removable and fillable. On the driver's side, you'll see more of the electronics we talked about previously. And on the back, you're going to see that we primarily use aluminous accessories for our rear mounts. And we have the Vandoit roof rack here with the platform for walking and 200 watts of solar. It's great for trickle charging you as you're out on your excursions. Now back to the rear accessories. There you see the aluminous rear door, tire mount, and ladder combo, which is great and it looks good. And that's Vandoit, the most durable van.